Bلال Jungjua, a Pakistani business person who has a long relationship with China's Xinjiang, has witnessed the great changes in the region over the past 2 decades. He said that the impressive transformation is achieved under the leadership of the Communist Party of China.
I have a very long-standing relationship with Xinjiang, over 24 years. And in front of my eyes, Xinjiang has completely transformed. Over the years, we explored, we worked in Xinjiang on many projects. Xinjiang is very close to my heart. I have hundreds of friends there who work in many spheres of life. I think without CPC, Xinjiang would never develop. They had very special focus on the West. There was a policy called Go West. And there was a lot of incentive for the Eastern Coast companies like Shanghai, Beijing, Tianjin to move towards the Western market. And because of that focus, a lot of investment came into infrastructure especially. So they worked on the communication side, they worked on telecom improvement, they worked on the airports, they worked on the highways, connectivities. I've seen Xinjiang when there was no roads in the rural areas. And from no roads to super highways, it's a complete change, a big change.